Today we'll talk about how can you link with accounts on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution and know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on personal settings here. You come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to social here, and here can you link with your Facebook, and here can you link with your Google here. So that's all you have to do to link with your account. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.